Hi guys, welcome to this interesting session of chatbot. Today we are going to see how we can build our own ChatGPT like chatbot using Microsoft Bot Framework and ChatGPT APIs. Previously, I created so many videos of ChatGPT integration with C Sharp, ChatGPT extension. I will give these video links on the video description. Please check it out. I strongly recommend to check this particular session to understand our today integration purpose. Also, I have created two videos about how to create chatbot using Microsoft Bot Framework. I will give this video link on the video description also. You can please check it out. So without waste, and for this also we need API keys from our Open AI platform. You need to log in and you need to go to your view API section where you can find your API key. So before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notifications. And if you ended up liking my videos, give me a like and share your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Let's get started. So for today's session, I am using Microsoft Bot Framework, which is EcoBot. I am using Visual Studio 2022. Here I am creating a project and here I am searching for bot. So I am using Microsoft Bot Framework version 4 3.1, a EcoBot. Clicking on next, I am giving, let's say, my GPT bot. Click on create. And also after completing this video session, I am going to keep this source code in the Google Drive and then give the video description link and the source code link in the video description so you can download and check it out. So it is taking time to create the template. I think it's got created. It's got created. Let's go to the solution explorer and see, yes, what are the files created. We have controller, we have bot, everything. And for test this bot, we have bot emulator. You can download it from Microsoft sites. And that's the reason I strongly recommend to watch this particular tool, sentiment analysis, and creating a interactive chatbot. I will give this link on video description also. So once chatbot emulator is open, we will run the application. So run the application for now. It will give us a URL, API messages URL, through which we can test our chatbot. So our chatbot is ready. This is our chatbot. You can see we have run our applications and let's see how the initial application look like. Guys, to create this kind of videos, it's really takes a lots of effort. Do some research, do some R&D, do some practice, do some scripting for YouTube, then create a video for YouTube. So please don't skip the ads. I'm started some getting few amount from the YouTube, and do like and share my video, please. So our bot is ready, and this is our API URL through which you can interact with our bot. So you can click on open bot in our chatbot emulator, and here we can paste our URL and click on connect. So it will connect to our hello and welcome. So if I am giving hello, so it is coming hello, echo hello. So from where it is coming? It is coming from Solution Explorer. If you go to Solution Explorer, if you go to EcoBot inside the bots folder, so it is coming from this one is hello welcome, the first one. You can see this one, and next one is echo and the tone context activity dot text. So this tone context activity text is the actual text we are entering here. Hi, right? Echo hi. So using this tone context activity, any query posted by here, we are going to use ChatGPT. So here I'm stopping the application from running. Now go to Solution Explorer. Inside this I am adding one more folder, which is my model or ChatGPT model particularly. So I'm adding one more folder here. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Guys, forgive about the background noise really. So I'm giving models. Inside this I am adding a class. Let's say ChatGPT model.cs. Inside this, I am adding separate model which are completion.text, completion request, completion response, ChatGPT usage, ChatGPT choice, and we need some, okay, already added now, right? So these are the model we need. I already showed how to create this model in my this session. I will give the link on the video description also. So we have configured our model. Now we need to go to our EcoBot this section. In this section, we need a method to input and output. So we don't need this input and output right now. We need this text which is getting the input, and we will do the reply. So I'm adding a method here. Let's say private run chart GPT, and it will take the parameter query. Inside this, I am giving so here you can see let me properly configure this part, return part. I'm going to return this output result, and for this JSON serializer we need to using JSON text.json. Here we need async tags of string, so it will return the result, right? In this section we need our API key, particular API key. So go to our open API section, open AI section, create new key, copy this one, paste this. So here we are just hitting a web API which is api.openai.v1.completion, and we are getting the result completion response, which is completion response is our this model. We are sending the request, getting the response, and we are returning to completion text, right? So now task is we need to go to our on message activity async. We can write like string. I'm taking same method reply text equal to await ChatGPT. It will take this input or the user input, right? Now it will return the same. I'm using the edge. It is completely what is the previous template is provided. So now I'm just using ChatGPT OpenAI API. So now run the application, guys. This is an interesting one. Now you can see our ChatGPT ready, and you can build a ChatGPT application also. We can deploy into Play Store. You can deploy into App Store also. ChatGPT ready. Go to bot emulator. Here you can see restart conversation. So click on this. So hello and welcome. So we can change this also. So I'm writing hi. So you will see how it is responding. Now previously it was responding just echo hi, just echoing our input. So you can see I'm asking the provide me the some help manage financial like this. So I'm just asking what is life, and let's see how it is responding to this question. Yeah, life is a complex process of interaction. Programmer life. So I think it will be good response from ChatGPT. The programmer life is one of the expression creativity from writing code to solving problem and etc etc. So I hope you like this session and you like this chatbot also. You can create your own chatbot, guys. So if you like this session, give me a like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.